Hello and welcome back to my channel. The disclaimer for today's video is please don't mind my voice being a little coarse because I am really struggling from runny nose and a lot of cough and cold. Since quite a few videos I have been constantly talking about various online freelancing jobs that you can do, and this video is specifically dedicated to certain really recommended websites which I can vouch for, and where you can actually get a lot of leads and inquiries for your online freelancing or remote working jobs. And the minimum amount of earning that you can make if you are actually consistently and sincerely working on the same, at least devoting 2 to 3 hours a day, is around 50,000 to a lakh of rupees. So let's get started with the video. So hey guys, here I am giving you some motivation to subscribe to this channel. I come up with a lot of financially inclined video on this particular channel. Preferably the videos for housewives, students, freelancers and people who are willing to grow a lot financially in their life. That is my major scope of work on this particular channel, and also targeting to some productive hacks which can help you to develop a lot as a person. So moving on to the first website that I would highly recommend is Tutoron.com. So this particular website is exclusively for tutors and digital educators. So basically what is there on this website? On this particular website you get a lot of leads from around the globe, a lot of inquiries from around the globe for students who are looking out for teachers. They put in their description box what exactly they are looking for, and as a registered tutor on that website you can apply for the same by using some coins. So basically these coins you get after you purchase like a bunch of 100 to 100,000 coins, and you spend some amount of coins on each inquiry. So that is one. Now I'm going to share 3 things that really works on this website. First is high quality profile. Make sure your profile and the description about you is really good and well written. Second, make sure that you are getting a premium membership to the same, because I can vouch for you will get leads and inquiries if you're getting a premium membership. The premium membership will cost you around 500 to 1,000 rupees per year, depending upon what amount of coins you are willing to spend each month to retain your membership. And also a well-reviewed profile. If you have existingly any sort of students, make sure you get your profile reviewed from them. So that really helps you in getting more number of students online. Moving on to this website number 2, that is Upwork.com. I'm sure most of you must have heard about this, and if not, then you are really missing on extremely big opportunity, because Upwork.com is one of the highest rated website for remote working across the globe internationally. What all you can do on Upwork.com? You can, if you are a writer, if you are a digital marketer, if you are a software developer, if you are into admin and management team, if you are into legal, if you are into finance, all these sectors you can work and grab a lot of online working opportunity for these sectors from Upwork.com. Also, disclaimer here is, yes, you can get into HR trainings, but as a tutor you won't get any work as a tutor on Upwork.com. So there are few pointers that you should remember when you are making a profile on Upwork.com. Point number 1 is make sure, and it goes for all, that make sure your profile is well written. You include your previous work in the profile. You can also apply for some more inquiries directly on Upwork.com. You are always paid via Upwork.com for your work. And also I would highly recommend is, before you make any sort of profile on Upwork, please first go and check similar profiles to yours. This will give you a clear idea of what should be your project cost range. Don't keep it too much on expensive side, and don't make it too cheap. I would recommend you to shift a little, tilt a little towards the low cost budget, because you are starting on the same. Once you start getting more number of leads over here, you can shift to higher range of project cost. And the third type of website that I would recommend is PeoplePerHour.com. So this particular website is quite similar to Upwork.com, but one disclaimer here in case of this particular website is, I found it a little tricky and difficult to make profile on this website. They are quite particular of whom they are choosing to project their profiles on their website. So again, as the saying goes, making a high quality profile, well written, descriptive profile with some of your existing work, making sure you're uploading the relevant qualification and relevant reviews over there will definitely help you to get your profile created on this website. And again, creating many profiles on different websites will simply expand your horizon of getting more number of leads. I had a constraint of making this video not too long, but there are n number of websites I will recommend you to go and check on for getting freelance work from around the globe. And in this particular video, I have listed only top 3 websites that I would recommend. But if you check my description box and my pinned comment, you will get the list of websites that I would recommend you guys to go and make your profile, because simply making your profile at multiple places will expand your horizon of getting good number of leads and inquiries. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more such videos.